Here's the first method to find your forgotten Snapchat password. If you're using Samsung phone, all you have to need open Samsung password, verify your phone lock. Once the Samsung pass unlocked, tap the search icon, search for Snapchat. And here, if you ever saved your Snapchat account password, you find your Snapchat, tap on that. And this is your Snapchat ID, and this is your Snapchat password. Now let's see the second method. On your smartphone, open any Google app and make sure you have selected the right Google account in which account you saved your Snapchat account password before. Now tap on your profile photo and tap on manage your Google account. In here, tap on security and sign in. Scroll down all the way to the bottom. Open password manager. In here, tap this search option. Search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Verify your phone lock. And here you will find all your Snapchat account saved passwords. You can just tap this little eye icon to make the password visible. Thanks for watching.